ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It is trained on a dataset of human-generated text and can generate text in response to prompts provided by a user. It can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks such as text generation, language translation, and question answering. GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a type of language model that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like text. The model is pre-trained on a large dataset of text and can then be fine-tuned for specific tasks such as a language translation or text summarization. The model is based on the transformer architecture, which uses self-attention mechanisms to process input sequences. The input to the model is a sequence of words, and the model generates a probability distribution over the possible next words in the sequence. The model then selects the most likely next word and adds it to the output sequence. This process is repeated for a specified number of steps or until a stopping token is generated. During the training phase, the model learns to predict the next word in a sentence by minimizing the difference between the predicted word and the actual word in the training dataset. In the fine-tuning phase, the model can be fine-tuned on a smaller dataset for a specific task by updating the model parameters with task-specific data. This allows the model to generate text that is specific to the task at hand and improve its performance. Overall, GPT is a powerful language model that can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks.